Hey guys, it's Rob from Mod Parent, and we're here with the LandWave ramp set here. Awesome product, man. I got this out. We got the boys on the Razor dirt bikes. Probably gonna move this to the grass soon, but I wanted to show you, I got these rubber tips. I was trying to figure out where they go. They go right under it to keep it from sliding, I guess when you're on the pavement. But let me tip this back over and let them have a little bit of fun real quick. All right, who's gonna take it? Check this out, it's crazy, man. It's like the perfect ramp. It's so awesome, man. Hit it, George. Yo, dude, you got air, bro. That was awesome. Coming in. Whoa! Yeah, George. This thing is, I mean, it is so sturdy. It's like the perfect ramp set. It's so cool. Whoa, dude, be careful. There you go. Good job, George. Dude, I am so happy with this product. It is like the perfect ramp. It's exactly what I was looking for. Nothing crazy. Wanted to have a landing side of the ramp so they don't nail each other. That is awesome, man. They love this thing. We literally just unboxed it like 10 minutes ago. Good job, George. All right, guys, highly recommend this product. I'll definitely do more videos on this. Just wanted to do a first impression there. Oh, George, that was sick.